everyone, today I'm going to cook a delicious pancit canton. It's so yummy. Thank you so much for support to all my silent viewers, subscribers. Please don't skip the ads, share and likes my video. Thank you and God bless. Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook vegetable pancit canton, 2 tablespoons of oil and 4 cloves of fresh garlic chopped. And also 1/2 onion white. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment, and don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I upload my video you always updated. So now the chicken, the water where I boiled, so that chicken broth, so let it boil. Now our soup, it's boiling, so we have to add the shred chicken thigh or chicken legs. So it's very delicious, guys, no? You have to try, and then some of shredded carrots. So it's very easy to cook the pancit canton or exactly the same bihon or rice noodles. So now we have to add like bihon powder or lomen powder. So the snow paste. So you have to bring to boil. Now, as you can see, it's boiling already the vegetables. So we have to cook half cook only. So now the cabbage slice. It's very fresh, guys, and healthy. So now you have to mix it. So don't cook overcook because it's saggy. So now either you separate and you add later all the vegetable and chicken, and then add you have to simmer it until get boiling. Boil the water or soup. Now it's ready, so you have to add pancit canton or lomin. This is I love this, guys. It's very delicious. You have to try it. Thank you to all my supporters, to all my silent viewers. Thank you so much for my subscriber. Please support my channel. If you want to do shout out, you have to write down so I can shout out you guys. So you have to mix it well. And then I add some of beef stock or beef powder instead MSG. I don't put MSG, guys, in my food. So now, by the way, I add little bit of dark soy sauce, this one, like maybe 3 tablespoons. And also, you have no cabbage, you can put like Chinese pichay or bok choy. So now I add like brown sugar, like 1 table or 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, because I love my pancit canton a little bit like sweet. So now you have to mix it well, so make sure mix it. And also the oyster sauce, like 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Just mix it, guys. Don't overcook the black pepper, 1 tablespoon. Overcook the pancit canton because it's tastes like saggy or something like that, guys. So you have to when you mix it, especially it's already almost cooked, you have to lower the temperature like 2 or 3, like blue. So please don't skip the ads. Thank you for coming. Now our pancit canton is ready to serve. Thank you so much again. See you my next video. Thank you all. I love you all and thank you for support my channel and visiting my channel. God bless and see you my next video. Now our pancit is so yummy. Thank you, so God bless. Bye for now.